Today we will discuss what is a tree data structure. Tree data structure is a collection of elements in which same or different data types are stored. Are stored. Next, what is the diagram? Means how the data is stored and how the data is stored. Suppose there is some note 1. These are the nodes, and in which there are stored some elements 1, 2, 5, 7, 6, 3, 8, 0. These are the stored which these are the element which stored a node, and every node is connected with others. One is connected with this node, and this is known as the data path. This is connected with this. This is an example of a tree data structure. Example of tree data structure. Next we will see some key terms, key points to understand the tree data structure. There is a term which is known as root. Root is the topmost 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 uh, topmost node. For example, we will just copy our previous example. For example, this is our root node, because this is the top. This is the root node, because every node is starting from this node. And parent means just like a parent and children. 7 is created from this one, 5 is also created from this one, and 2 is created from this one element. So 1 is parent of 7. 1 is parent of 2, 5, and 7. Here child node means a leaf node, or a node which is created from another node that is called child node. For example, 2 is the child of 1, 5 is the child of 1, and 7 is the child of 1. And here we can say that 6 and 3 is child of 2, and 8 and 0 is child of 7. 5 has no child. For just example, 6 and 3 is child of 2, and 8 and 0 is child of 7. And siblings means are not are not is to note those have the same parents. Two or more note who has same parent. For example, 6 is sibling of 3. And for your homework, if you understand this, then comment me who is the sibling of node 8. Here 6 and 3 has same parent, which is 2, and also 2 5 7 is the same parent, which is 1. So 2 has two sibling, 5 and 7. And path. What is path? Path means a line which is connected to nodes, or a data point, sorry, a data path which is connecting to to node to nodes. And degree of nodes means a number of child. Degree of degree of node means the number of child, means 1 has 1 2 5 7, 1 has 3 child, so its degree of node is 3. Degree of node, degree of node. And 2 has 2 child, because 6 and 7 is the child of 2. And 5, what is the degree of 5? Its degree is 0. And 7 has 2 child, then so 7, degree of 7 is 2. Thank you, friends.